Should the US be more concerned about air pollution from China or from Europe? As first world countries revisit global air quality regulation, atmospheric circulation will continue to dictate where air pollution travels. Two phenomena which contribute to atmospheric circulation are Earth's rotation and the Coriolis effect. However, I would like to bring your attention to a broad category of dominant wind currents called prevailing winds. Prevailing winds are caused by atmospheric circulation, which result in dominant global wind patterns. Examples of prevailing winds are the westerlies, which exist within the middle latitudes, and the trade winds, which exist in the tropics. Let's focus on the latitude regions closest to the equator, as they are adjacent to the middle latitudes. As the sun heats the equator more directly than other latitudes, hot air above the equator rises, drawing in cooler air from north and south of the equator. Because the conservation of angular momentum, the Coriolis effect explains why the cooler air approaches the equator from east to west, or the left, regardless of hemisphere. These winds, in conjunction with high-pressure zones from equatorial heating, create what is known as the trade winds. As more air is drawn in and heated, air rises, and the same high-pressure zones force air north and south from the equator towards the poles. Once again, the Coriolis effect bends the winds to the right. If these winds travel far enough, they join to create what is known as the westerlies. The majority of the United States falls within this prevailing westerly wind, so when considering China's knack for economic development and history of air pollution issues, journal articles reporting on China's air pollution appears to be much more predominant, and for good reason.